Alright everyone, we are back in the shop today. Gonna be a little bit of a different day. I'm exhausted. My daughter likes to play this game. Let's keep everybody in the house up all night. This is not gonna be a good day. Not a good day. Basically, the rad flush is done on the Audi. I am going to be zip tying some wires on the wiring harness up to the apron, and then I'm gonna move it. Reason being, a little bit of change of gears here. My buddy, his throat bearing on his BRZ is about to explode. So we're bringing that in, gonna put it up on the hoist, and we're gonna try and change that today. And that should be fun. My life. All right, we are all zip tied up.
We got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, we do. I don't know how to do an Australian accent. Yeah! I know there's no seat belt. And why is my check engine light on? Yeah, whatever. We're good. Reverse.
Should have watched another video on how to take the interior apart.
Yeah, probably.
It's like one guy at work's just like, nice bro, I whatever I can find too. Oh, you're like, gee, thanks.
Okay, so we're having a bit of trouble with the transmission and drive shaft.
Yeah, don't worry about me.
Oh, okay, cool. What?
No, not you.
We're trying to drop the tranny and the drive shaft all in one go to try and not have to do a flush of fluid for the transmission or fill it up. But it's not working out that well. So we're gonna have to empty the tranny fluid.
Let's go.
So we basically have the tranny out except for it is caught on the shifter.
Guess what?
What?
What are you talking about? It's not an Allen key.
What is it? A Torx?
Oh, it's a fucking roll pin. That's stupid.
But how is it attached here? These bolts. Oh, they're not bolts. Well, how does it come off of that then?
We are so close.
Those aren't Allen keys?
No, they're bolts.
It's basically just resting on the
Yeah,
stud.
because it'll take that whole shifter assembly.
That
thing
sucks.
there.
Safety 101.
What? No, that's the other one.
Jump. So we had to remove the shifter itself from the top because it was getting caught on the actual inside of the chassis. We should be able to get the whole thing down now, no problem.
So now we're not sure if it was the throw-up bearing or if it's the clutch or actually the transmission that's making that noise. There was a grinding, some trouble with engagement. So there is the entire possibility that it is just the clutch, which sucks because we don't have a new one of those.
It's definitely the bearing.
Yeah, it's okay, yeah. Because it's not supposed to spin so freely.
The inner bushing, that inner bushing exploded on this one. She gone. Has a second bushing on it. This one did. It's gone.
Okay, so we were worried that it was potentially the clutch or the transmission making the noise instead of the throw-up bearing, but you can see just how easily this spins and that there is actually a bushing missing from the inside. So it is definitely just the throw-up bearing. We've got the new throw-up bearing, and it doesn't spin nearly as easily. It does not make a noise like a skateboard. Now I just got to install that. We've got to get some more training fluid, and then we can install. Okay, so Mitch wanted me to gut his cat because this car comes with 2 from the factory. So I'm going to use a hammer and a chisel to hammer out what is in the center. And yeah, he just wants to be real loud, I guess.
The fact that mixes in with your goddamn knee pad noise.
Stop poking your ass out.
No, the power stands.
We're not in yet. This is my power.
I'm an electrician, man.
So basically what Andrew's doing is he's putting a jam nut on there to be able to pull out the studs for the transmission because we are having a bitch of a time.
Cockhole.
Bitch of a time trying to put the transmission up there because those studs, even though they have a little bit of room for play for the transmission to slide on, they don't push all the way in, and we're having trouble lining up the spline for the output shaft. Yeah, but how many guys does it take to put in a transmission? Change the throw-up bearing?
Whole Subaru team, man.
Apparently 4.
You're an electrician, a welder, a masonry, and a sales rep.
He's an IT guy.
I'm an IT guy.
so a tip for anybody that's working on a BRZ or an FRS, take off your skid plate and rotate the engine.
Don't tighten it.
Push on the exhaust manifold or pull from the oil pan like that to try and rotate this way. Push this up and it actually pivots the engine like that. Allows the bell housing and splines of the output shaft to line up perfectly. Okay, so we got Mitch's car done. We replaced the throw-up bearing, got the transmission back in. So, transmission's still making the noise. We thought it was just throw-up bearing because whenever he put in the clutch, it would actually sound better, but whatever. We also hollowed out his second cat, the useless one, and now it's a lot louder. It sounds good. Yeah, that sounds good.
I guess that's it for this episode. I guess next episode I'll actually be working on the Audi.